What if I told you that you could turn plain text into professional presentation ready diagrams in seconds without spending a cent? No more dragging shapes in PowerPoint, no more struggling with flowchart tools in Excel. Just type and watch your ideas come to life visually. Let me show you step by step how it works and why you never create diagrams for your presentations the same way again. This is a tool that I use, Napkin AI. Okay, let me just open a blank napkin or so on. Napkin is like if you have ideas, you happen it in cafe and then you just draw it on a napkin. So this is the concept of that, right? So let's open a new napkin. I just want to use it with the AI. Okay, and you of course you can use the AI to help you the so-called generate ideas and so on. Now, what I want to do is this is like a built-in. They already have built-in AI. So I want to create something like, okay, since you got a suggestion, brand proposal for a plant care company. Or okay, maybe all right, have business proposal to open a. Okay, how many of you like cafe? I mean, how many like coffee, right? Like me, okay, to open a cafe with travel team. All right, coffee and travel is my favorite. So let the AI do it. Basically, it helps you write a proposal, business proposal. Okay. Now let it get done in just a second, right? It's actually okay. See how fast you can write the proposal. Now, of course, you can use that in the. I mean, you can use Gemini, ChatGPT to all that. Here, let's say for example, this is. I mean, of course, you can go in and change the text and so on. Now, what I want to show you is not about this, but it's about creating diagram, right, or nice diagram for your presentation. So if I want to talk about product, I want to turn all this into a nice diagram. All right. Now, of course, there are apps you can actually copy paste these and then they create the presentation for you. All right. But I like to be in control of what I want. So if I like this, okay, I can click in here. You see, it will create diagrams for you. All right. Now, do you see that? It creates diagram for you automatically, not just one. Maybe you scroll down, you can see this. Okay. And see what you like. Okay. And you want more, of course, you can get more. But let's say, for example, I like this one, right? I like this one, and it gives you more styles. Click on the styles. Now you can have more styles. All right, this looks better. And have a look here. You see? So if I like this, I can click here. You automatically insert here. Now, if you don't want this, right? Cafe offerings. You don't want the text. Just delete it off. Right. Now, even the summary, you can go in and change that. You understand? You can bold it, you can even change the font or whatever. Okay. Now, assuming everything is done and you're happy with it, just export the PNG file. Boom, download. I got a PNG file. I can go back to my here presentation. Yeah. And basically I can insert a slides. And we open up. You see that? Here's a diagram. It's a diagram that I can use immediately, right? So instead of I used to be, we have to, I have an assistant to help me to draw all this stuff. And now with this tool, it's done in seconds. I hope you like these tips. Go try it and let me know later in the comment how it works out for you, whether it's helpful or not. Now, if you like this type of productivity videos, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you will be notified. By the way, I'm Andrew. I see you real soon in my next video.